What is this issue? What is it? We are stuck in this room. I want to get out now. बहुत हो गया. Actually guys, I have to get my bike today. Yes, the delivery of the 1250 GSA had to happen today. But this is the reason I hate taking loans. Some or the other issue will happen. This paper nahi hai, wo paper nahi hai, ye sign nahi hai, this sign is not tallying. Whatever. I had a zip drive thing which is like quick, instant, privileged customer and all that because I maintained my bank records really well. Today the bank guy calls me and says, sir, your disbursement is not going to happen today because there is some COVID case in the head office here. And because of that, we had to shut down the entire branch, which is fake. I know that because later someone told me the branch is open. Dude, come on, do not fake like this, yaar. Tell me openly, it is not gonna happen today. I'll listen. Naishu, when am I gonna get my bike? Huh? Tell me when am I gonna get my bike? इतने दिन क्या है? Why is my loan not getting approved? Tell me now. Tell me. Oh, by the way, we did not give intro, Naishu. Naishu, we did not give intro. Come, let's give intro. What's up, guys? Kaise ho? Elana, hope everyone is doing. Naishu, I'll give you something. Wait. This is something that was kept for Naishu since a long time. Let's see if you like it. It's a Barbie doll set. Wow. Wow, Naishu. What is this? What is it? Somehow this girl doesn't like Barbie doll sets and all that. She likes all weird stuff. She doesn't like dolls, cute soft toys and all that. She likes blood, likes all negative things. Chor hai tu chor. Anyways, tomorrow my loan is gonna get approved. Most probably, it is approved. I even got a disbursement. What is that? Some acknowledgement stuff and all that. But today is some technical issue. It seems later someone called me and told me from the bank. Anyways, I think, see, look at this distraction. She's stamping on it. But then I'm not going to take the bike tomorrow because tomorrow is not an auspicious day. Today was an excellent day on my name. I really don't believe in all that. Maybe they exist, but it's not in my world, so that's okay. But I respect it because my mom and dad, they want to follow that, so no problem with that. Only thing is, tomorrow is not an auspicious day. It is a very bekar day, it seems. So 99% day after tomorrow, I'll be taking the delivery. What am I going to do with it? Nothing. I'm just going to take it, park it in the house, at least see it and enjoy it, feel it nicely. Alright, today's the next day and like I told you in my previous vlog, I'm getting a lot of time to do a lot of cleaning stuff and all that. I cleaned my clothes ka cupboard, removed a lot of junk from it. Now I'm trying to clean this area. Almost cleaned it. I need to dust and remove a little bit of stuff from here. Here a couple of bags are there. Even these I'll remove it and keep it maybe in the top shelf. For now, a lot of junk came out. This whole dabba, phone mounts, that mount, this mount, everything I clean. I'm gonna throw all that. No, I can't give away all that because it's all ruined. They're all rusted and all that. It's better I throw them. And we have chain loop. We don't need chain loop from now. Who needs chain loop now? Actually, I need chain loop for my street twin. But for the next adventure tourer, we don't need any chain loop because we are shaft driven. Oh yes. Finally, Shriman Kotaru has a shaft driven bike. Woo! But yes, like I told you, today I had to go and get the delivery, but that bank loan still did not, it got approved like I told you, but it still didn't get reflected into the dealership's account. Hopefully, fingers crossed, today evening, he's saying by 6 o'clock, before 6 o'clock it should happen. In case that happens, good. Otherwise, I'll have to postpone my delivery by at least 4 to 5 days minimum. I'm gonna keep the chain loop. I was just joking because street twin ke liye to chain hai. And abhi bhi Tiger hai hamare paas. So I'm not sure when I'm gonna sell it. By the way, anyone interested, do send me an email. And also, I have 2 cans of, I'll show you what is this. These are 2 cans of Motel's tire repair. Basically, this is for tube tires. We had a couple of tube tires in the group. Now everything is gone. But one more tube tire bike is coming. I think that's gonna happen maybe today or tomorrow. The delivery. I'm talking about the R90. It's got the same problem hai. Something like mine, alone ka. Both of us, I think it's gonna happen today. But we are not taking the delivery together. In case it happens together as well, he'll be taking his bike separately with his family. I'm gonna take my bike separately. Not with my family. I'm not taking my family. I might be taking the bike solo, alone. Yes, I'm not even calling any of my friends. Same वही scene में showroom को जाना, सबको बुलाना, then tell I'm taking a delivery. Bored. If everything is fine by evening today, चुपचाप जाके I'll take the bike and come back home. अभी I'll give this to the R90 owner. Tube tires. Hopefully his bike shouldn't puncture because If it gets punctured, removing the tire is one big hassle. You need BMW technician to come with RSA support and then take the bike for a puncture. For now, one more thing I wanted to talk about is Apple's new unlock feature in the watch. I'm so excited about this. Basically, the problem is all iPhones, I think iPhone 7 or 8 upwards, you have Face ID. It's locked. Look at it. It's unlocked. It's very reliable, fast, secure and simple. But then when you wear a mask, abhi hamara zindagi pura mask ho gaya. Every time you have to wear a mask. The problem arises when I go to a supermarket wearing a mask and I have to check a list or something like that. Or if I have to do some Google payment, phone pay or something, everything works on Face ID. So when there's a mask, it doesn't open. So now we have a new update. All I have to do is I can wear a mask and wear the watch. These both are in sync. We are friends because the watch and the phone are friends. They know that it is Sriman Kotaru's phone. Let's open it, which is cool. Next level. This is why I love Apple. So previously I could unlock my laptop using my watch. If I'm wearing the watch and I wake up the laptop, it automatically unlocks because I have the watch. For example, now it says enter touch ID. It is locked, right? What I can do is if I'm wearing the watch, let me demonstrate all this fancy stuff to you guys. Maybe most of you know it, but for the ones who don't. Alright, my laptop is locked right now. All I have to do is just wear the watch like this and see, it's unlocked. It doesn't ask for any password. Click this, see this. Sriman's MacBook Pro unlocked by this Apple Watch and there it is. Amazing, right? Now the same thing will happen when I'm wearing a mask. All I have to do is look at it. With the mask, no problem, it unlocks because I'm wearing the watch. How fancy can it be? Sorry for the interruption, but a very good interruption. You will love it. Don't worry about it. The reason being, remember when I said this? If everything is fine by evening today, I'll take the bike and come back home. Oh yes, we have the BMW bike. Finally, after a lot of hard work, a lot of proper savings, proper investments, proper planning and all that, successfully we are the owner of a BMW. This happened today. I got the delivery of the bike, but that will be shown in the next vlog. Reason being, that is a fresh vlog. I started that vlog literally at 5 o'clock today in the evening. That is when I got an update from BMW that my loan has been processed, everything is successful. You can come and take the bike, and maybe tomorrow I'll post that because otherwise, you know, flow is gonna go. But yes, officially we have the bike. The bike is here in the lawn. Next vlog, wait for it. I'm gonna show it to you. But for now, key dekh lo. Second thing to do is I couldn't resist. Can't help it. This is why I hate Apple events. Whenever they announce a product, I have to get it, can't help it. So I ended up buying the Apple AirTag. Luckily I ordered only one. Let's check all the crap and let's unbox it. It doesn't need such a huge box, dude. Invoice. There is a cute little AirTag. Itna chota sa box ke liye, itna bada box, not necessary. What the hell is this packing, dude? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm presenting to you the AirTag, the Apple AirTag. Boring instruction manual, documentation, Apple sticker है, very important नहीं है. That is the AirTag. So cute. That's it. This is like a huge gem. This feels so satisfying in your hand, dude. Wow. Okay, इसके ऊपर भी we have nice packing. Did it make a sound? It looks very nice, dude. See, so reflective it is. What do I do next? This is why I love Apple. I did nothing. I just unlocked the phone and look at this. Locked phone. I unlock. You see that? Talk about fancy, talk about Apple. I think all I have to do is hit connect. This is the BMW key. I'm gonna put one AirTag to this. I ordered only one because I don't know what to do with it firstly, but because I love Apple products, I ordered one. One stupid thing I did is I did not order a holder for this, a keychain. The only reason I did not order the keychain is, let me show you. This is the keychain and it freaking costs 3,590 rupees for the keychain. AirTag costs 3,190 rupees. The keychain costs 3,590 rupees. The keychain is more expensive than the AirTag itself. I got irritated. I got frustrated. That is the reason I skipped it. That moment I know that I'll definitely order it later. I wanted to order it now, but the problem is delivery is almost 8 to 10 weeks. Setting up. Chalo. All done. I think one AirTag I'll be hanging it to the BMW skis because this is definitely crazy expensive. Let's try to find the AirTag now. Demonstration for you. I'll try to hide the AirTag somewhere in the house. Okay, I put the AirTag here in this room, in the guest room. Now let's use the phone to find it. Now what I like about it is it's very accurate. At least up to 30 meters, it is really accurate. All I have to do is find my device. So these are all my devices. Now there is a new option called items here. Click on that and now hit on find. And now I think you need to keep walking like this. It says connected, 3.8 meters. Do you see this changing? It is so accurate. When it finds the exact direction, this whole screen, it turns green and it gives you a haptic feedback on the phone. You can feel that vibration. Look at this. Yeah. Oh yes. And as you get closer to the AirTag, it becomes more intense. The vibration becomes more intense and more continuous. And the moment you go closer to it, it clicks. This is called precision finding. So for precision finding to work, I have to be like really close, around 30 meters. It says 30 meters, but I'm not sure. Either like 4 or 5 meters it is not showing. So I'm not sure about it. I still need to see some YouTube videos and then figure it out. For now, right behind this door, we have the BMW 1250 GS Adventure. If I open this, you can see the bike, but next vlog I'll show you the entire experience. So then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next vlog.